Somebody left a sweet drone for me. What a nice little drone. What's going on? Oh no! Happy Halloween! I'm probably not going to get an Oscar for that performance. But this is a good example what you can do with simple means. A monopod and an OSMO Pocket by yourself, combining with some simple editing techniques, adding some scary sound effects and some scary music downloaded from the web. If you want to see a video about how I made this Halloween project, then simply write Halloween in the comment below. If you watch the video after the horror movie tutorial has been released, you can access it through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to hit the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back next Halloween.